Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Canon PIXMA G3010 printer driver in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just open any browser, and then on the search bar, just search for this, which is Canon PIXMA G3010 driver download, and then click on enter. And then after that, once you're now here, just click this PIXMA G3010. And then in this part, you will see drivers right here. So make sure that you click that. Under the drivers, you will see this G3010 MP drivers. So we're going to click on learn more. And then we're going to click on download. After that, let's wait for this to finish. After installing, we're going to click on show folder. And then we're going to drag this into desktop. Once you do that, go back into our desktop and then you will see this MPP. So we're going to double click on it. And then after that, let's wait for this to finish. After that, just click on next and then click on next again. Click on yes. And then after that, while it is being installed, let's go here on the search bar and the search for printers. And then after that, just click on open. And then in this part, we're going to click on add device. And then we're going to click on add a new device. After that, click on local printer and then click on next. And then for the existing port, click this and then look for a USB port. So if you see that, make sure that you choose that. In my case, I don't have that, so I'm just going to click on null and then click on next. After that, in this part, we're going to choose Canon. And then in this part, what we're going to do next is to click on have disk. After that, we're going to click on browse and then look for desktop right here. And then we're going to click on this file and then click on driver. And then in this part, just choose any file that you want. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this one. So we're going to click on that and then click on OK. After that, as you can see, we now have the G3010 series. So click on next. And then after that, just click on next again. And then your driver will now be installed. After that, for the do not share, click that also and then click on next and finish. So once you do that, if you go back right here, as you can see, we now have Canon G3010 series. So that is basically it.